are looking up at beautiful birds like the black kite, quite often those birds are looking down at us, searching for opportunities to feed. And for our next bird, the black-breasted buzzard, an emu egg is the ultimate prize. Everyone, this is Waru, and even with those talons in that beak, he needs help to get inside, and that help is the tool. Today, the rock. Not the rock, but a rock. Dwayne Johnson is not here, people. All right. Over there. So what you're witnessing, is not something that we ever train Waru to do. This behaviour is instinct. He hatched out of his own egg with this knowledge already in his mind. You can see he's already made a small hole there. Now if this were a real emu egg, that's all he'd have to do. He'd be able to start sipping out the yolk that's inside. But because it's made out of plaster, Waru does need to put in a little bit more effort. But all in all, this behaviour completely instinctual. Wow, you're destroying it, bud. Get in there. There you go. So this is a very unusual behaviour, not unique though, simply because there's one other bird in the world that does something similar, that being the Egyptian vulture. You can see the persistence, well done, that Waru has. Now, when it does come to tool use, generally we think of humans and other primates, so seeing Waru achieve his goal today, it's pretty exciting. And after watching that, perhaps you may think we have a lot more in common with them than you may have otherwise thought. Yay! What was that? You're the best! There you are, hello. You're my #1 fan, I love you. So, that was a black-breasted buzzard, and they're a type of bird you're also going to find in the inland parts of the country. A lot of you probably haven't even heard of it before. In fact, I'd be more surprised if you had heard of it. They're not doing bad in this country. It's just that for the number of birds to sustain themselves to the population in this country, that number is lower than other birds, especially compared to things like the black kite we saw earlier, which is